missed you, man.
I'm glad I'm back.
We're happy. We're almost there. I guess our spots are jacked, so we're gonna have to figure this shit out.
What up, bro?
It's cracking. Damn, buff guy? Shit. Put me on a meal plan, please. Please.
Deliver to LA now.
Okay, can you come to my house? Okay. 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Yeah. How's the drive?
I don't put the phone back. Yeah, dude. Like,
Shitty? The roads were shitty, right? Yeah. Ron, were you a street racer?
No, it's too much traffic.
But you want to be a street racer?
Hey guys, so we're at this brekkie meet, but check it out, it's Ben 10 Universe right here, dude.
Ben 10 these nuts.
Anyways, you know, Eric, Tsunami.
What up? Look at Ron, he's trying to fucking say that his car's cool and shit. Ron, don't run away, bro. Let's get your fit.
So today I wore some Easy Access Stone Island pants so that Charles and you can suck both of my balls.
Let's get your fit, bro. Oh, what? Wait, you guys planned the same shoes?
Yeah. No,
Fresh Kicks, can you sponsor these guys?
I knew he was
Please.
gonna wear that shit.
Hey Corey, Ligma, dude. Oh, he looks tasty, huh?
Guys, obviously,
Okay.
I gotta
Can
tell you what
I
my
imagine
favorite
you
car
taking
is.
a screen
The
fit?
rules is can't be mine, obviously, and it can't be one that I've seen before,
Hey,
unless I'm
Hey,
desperate.
listen, dude. I'll see you at the tent.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Later, bitches.
Later.
Bye. That guy's famous, I guess. I don't know. Ron, check this out.
What's in there? Oh, shit.
Yeah. Sick.
This is hard.
See? You can't just look around with your fucking head in the sky. You gotta check out these, appreciate these fucking builds.
You have to pay
man.
attention, Ron.
If you're a real car guy, I spotted this
Give me
from a
this
mile
shit.
away.
This guy is a terrorist. He's part of the
You know
Taliban.
because the fucking license plate says
This
that
is
shit.
sick. Yeah, it says 2JZ E30, you idiot. Right there.
You think I don't know what a 2J looks like, motherfucker?
You thought this was the turbo, dude.
Oh, really? I don't know where the fuck Ron went. He's a piece of shit. Guys, this is when rivals meet. My favorite car here, guys, is that E30 with the 2J or Stan's E30. Stan is from Toyo Tires. His E30 is super sick with the brown interior with the Recaros, ridiculous. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna. I think we're gonna dip from here and go kick it, do something. I don't know.
Hi, Mark.
What up?
What's good, man?
How are you, bro?
I'm doing good.
Sick. Keep losing weight, bro. You look good.
I just told my wife, I'm like, this guy goes, you got to get under 200. I'm like, let's go.
Let's do it. I'll see you, bro.
Later. No, never.
What's up, dude?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we made it back safe and sound. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Claw that subscribe button for your boy. Comment, like the video, write a comment, tell me what you guys think. Yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in. Catch you guys on the next one. Much love, peace.